Hey guys, it's Eric here, and this is a really quick speed test between the Tecno Phantom 9 and the Infinix Note 6. Both of these actually have the same Helio P35 octa-core CPU. Let's take a look at all the relevant specs for this test and start with the boot up test. Phantom 9 booted up first in 21 seconds, with the Note 6 coming in 2 seconds later. I closed all the running apps before this test. Let's begin with Twitter. Note 6 opened Twitter slightly faster. Instagram. Note 6 opened Instagram slightly faster. Facebook. Phantom 9 opened Facebook faster. Snapchat. Phantom 9 opened Snapchat faster. Play Store. Phantom 9 opened Play Store slightly faster. YouTube. Note 6 opened YouTube faster. Geekbench. Phantom 9 opened Geekbench faster, but we're not able to get a Geekbench score out of it for some reason. Antutu benchmarks. Phantom 9 opened Antutu slightly faster. You get higher Antutu score on the Phantom 9, probably owing to that extra 2 gigs of RAM. Skipping the games row for now, Snapseed. Pretty much a draw. Camera. Phantom 9 opened camera faster. Messages. Phantom 9 opened messages slightly faster. Settings. Pretty much a draw. Speed test. Phantom 9 opened speed test faster. I tested both on the same network and we have higher download speeds on the Note 6 and higher upload speeds on the Phantom 9. Lightroom. Phantom 9 opened Lightroom faster. Now let's open up some games. Let's begin with Smash Hit. Note 6 opened Smash Hit faster. PUBG. Note 6 opened PUBG faster. Subway Surf. Phantom 9 opened Subway Surf faster. Temple Run 2. Note 6 opened Temple Run 2 faster. While playing games on both of these, you get a similar experience, and if you haven't seen my gaming review yet, I'll be leaving a card up above. Please check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it. Also follow me on Twitter and Instagram to see what I'm up to. Please subscribe for more videos like this, as it will mean a lot to me, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.